Are you looking for a home on a larger lot in one of San Antonio's most exclusive suburbs? Welcome to Garden Ridge. Today we're highlighting Heimer Estates by Chesmar Homes, an intimate neighborhood with less than 100 home sites. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Quentin Starks and I'm gonna be your realtor for the next few minutes. If you can do me a huge favor, go down below and drop a like on the video. It truly does help support this channel. And if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the Central Texas real estate market, we encourage you to subscribe. But without further ado, let's go check out this gorgeous property. In Heimer Estates, every lot is at least a third of an acre. The properties start in the mid 800,000 range. This is the Raven floor plan. It's gonna be just over 3,200 square feet, 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a 3-car garage. But let's start right here in the front of the property. My absolute favorite feature of this specific plan is gonna be the width. So it's a very wide home, giving you all this space in the front of the property. You also have the opportunity for these double French entry doors, which are amazing. And then again, this foyer is just huge. It has the nice height in the ceiling with that tray accent. And then over here to the right is gonna be the office. So if you've been to the channel before, you know I love a home office, especially when it's close to the front. But this one, nonetheless, is amazing. I love these nice, huge windows, bringing in all this natural light. And what's unique about this particular office is you have 2 entrances. So this double door right here going to the kitchen, as well as the one you're at currently. This wall right here is normally walled off, and that's gonna be the garage space on the other side. But as soon as you come in from the front door, you can see all the way to the back, giving you that true open concept that everybody loves with new construction. And then we're opened here right into the living space. So centerpiece of the living room is gonna be that awesome fireplace. That natural stone goes literally from the floor to the ceiling. Speaking of the ceiling, we have a nice vault with these 3 huge exposed beams, really nice touch. And then tucked over here on this side of the home is gonna be the primary bedroom. We'll get towards that towards the end, but these awesome sliders give you the opportunity of that indoor-outdoor living that a lot of people do like to take advantage of in the colder months here in San Antonio. But right off the living space, we enter here into the kitchen. Really good sized kitchen, a lot to talk about in here, but we'll start right here with your built-in appliance. This is gonna be your convection oven. You have an awesome opportunity for a 6-burner cafe stovetop, which is amazing. They even elected to do these amazing custom cabinets. These are a little extended compared to the normal 42 that we see. And then they wrapped the range hood in that awesome cabinet look as well. And then this island is huge. It has this waterfall feature that is amazing. You don't see that too often with a bunch of builders, but here's gonna be kind of like a butler's pantry, if you will, a bunch of extra prep space alongside some cabinets. And then you have the traditional pantry, right here. And then behind me is that office. So this is that second entrance. So you could either use this as a study, or if you wanted kind of that formal dining. And speaking of dining, here on the island, you have a bunch of additional space for eating, which is awesome. And then in this corner is actually gonna be the dining space for the property. So again, this is the only true traditional space, whereas that office could be a second if you like. But if we go this way, this is gonna be kind of the kids' retreat, if you will. We're gonna start right here with the second living space, our flex room. Pretty good size space. They have it kind of as like a game room, which is awesome. But tucked over here is gonna be a closet. And what I really like about this space is if you're an entertainer, it also goes directly to the covered patio. So you can, again, have that indoor-outdoor living kind of feel. As we continue, we're gonna have a little linen closet right here. And then these are gonna be what I would call kind of the 2 kids' bedrooms or the secondary bedrooms. Decent sized room. They have a bunch of furniture in here, so you truly can see how big the space is. But it's connected to a bathroom via Jack and Jill. So you have a vanity here. The closet's gonna be to your left, and it's actually a decent sized walk-in. And then how the Jack and Jill works, you have the vanity there. This door closes for the toilet and shower tub combo, kind of for their own privacy. And then it walks through with another door to the second vanity. This is a little oversized, to the next bedroom right here. So again, really ideal for kids or maybe guests. And then you also have a pretty good size walk-in closet here as well. And something I wanted to mention while I have this door open, it is an 8-foot door, and they have the opportunity of painting them. This one is specifically gray. With Chesmar, they are a semi-custom home builder, so you have the opportunity of doing different things like that, which is awesome. So as we continue back into kind of the heart of the home, you do have that first entrance to the backyard, but you have a second one here in the dining, and then the third one is going to be tucked back here with those sliding glass doors. So you walk right into the covered patio. The centerpiece back here is going to be that fireplace. It is gas, and it has that awesome natural stone. I love how they're showing you the opportunities that you have with the outdoor kitchen, because they do provide gas snub outs. So essentially, you have a gas line that can go straight to your actually cooktop out here, which is amazing. Pretty good size, really oversized, it really looks like, patio with one section there, as well as a second over here. And then again, that is that door to your flex space. But if you look at the lot, you're going to have a lot of trees. This is a very established area. It's heavily wooded, so you're gonna have a nice bit of the shade back here. But what's nice about this neighborhood is you, again, have these bigger lots where you can put a pool, sports court, whatever the case may be. The builder, in some cases, actually allows you to remove some of the trees if you want to. And then in this particular neighborhood, they're gonna be on an aerobic septic system. So that is gonna be your sewage, while everything else is gonna be from the city utility-wise. But let's get out of the heat, go back into the property. And before we get over here and check out the primary bedroom, there's actually a junior suite, really kind of like a guest wing of the home that we'll look at. So as we go through the kitchen, this section right here is a little bit more extended with a bunch of cabinets and countertop, which is amazing. Continuing on to your left is going to be, or my left is going to be the 3-car garage. So it is a side-mounted garage. We have a nice little area for storage right here, that kind of mud room, if you will. And then here is going to be the powder room, so the guest bathroom, so they don't have to use the Jack and Jill or the ensuite, in which we're going to see. And then right here is the laundry room, so pretty big appliances. We do have some folding space, an option for cabinets as well as hanging room, and I love how they give you this little nook right here for an additional appliance, so you can have a fridge or a freezer in the house. It doesn't have to go all the way to the garage for that. And then again, here's going to be like kind of that guest room, maybe the in-law suite, whatever the case may be. And obviously the reason I say that is because it does have its own bathroom. So they have their own privacy. What's nice is you have a pretty oversized vanity right here. And then over here, obviously, is the toilet, but we have just a standalone shower. And this closet, I mean, all the closets in this property are pretty big, but this one's also quite nice size. So really cool in-law suite going on over here. But now for really the reason why you're here, right? The primary bedroom. Like I mentioned, the junior suite has its own area. The primary also has its own area. So looking at kind of the heart of the home one more time, right? As we go to the other side, we're gonna go to pretty much your room in the house. Before we get there, there is a coat closet, and then we'll walk straight into the primary suite. So cool little area right here for either a coffee bar or maybe your keys and wallet before you leave your room, but pretty good sized room. I mean, really nice amount of furniture and space in here to kind of configure however you'd like. I love how they have the wood look tile coming all the way into this room as well. You have this huge fixed window behind me, and then tucked over here is going to be double doors to get into your primary bathroom. So we're going to start on the other end. We normally don't do that, but I wanted to highlight this insane shower area. So it's tiled all the way around with these glass accent walls. You have the shower on this side. I really wish they had maybe a different fixture or a rainfall kind of fixture going on, but again, semi-custom, you could always do that if you'd like. And then over here is a standalone tub. This kind of gives me like spa vibes, which is really cool. Over here is going to be the primary closet. So not two closets, one, but it's segmented. So on this side is one side, and then you have the other section over there to truly give you guys that separation of space so you guys aren't commingling clothes, if you will. And then we're gonna get to the other sections of this bathroom. So really good oversized vanity. You have the actual sink there with a little kind of makeup vanity area here. Still a really good size vanity on this side. I love how they framed the mirrors. We also have a linen closet on your right, and then here's gonna be the toilet or water closet on your left. All in all, a really nice primary bathroom. And as we exit the bedroom, we're gonna go right through here into the heart of the home. So on your right is gonna be the entryway that flows into the living space, to the back of the home, and then behind me is going to be the kitchen. And I'm curious, what do you guys think of this property? Go to the comment section, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and your favorite feature of this property. Alongside that, if you're looking at making a move to the Central Texas area, I would love to be a real estate resource of choice. If you go to the description below, you're gonna see all of our contact information. Please don't hesitate to reach out so I can be a resource. And if you wanna see a home similar to this one, click here.